Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are fine and staying safe at home. Children, today we are going to focus a new chapter from MI book, that is Human Values. Now, open the book to page number 33, chapter 8, Honesty. Firstly, I'll read out the entire chapter in front of you all, then I'll give you a short summary about this chapter. So, children, this is a very interesting chapter. I hope you all will like it. So, let's begin with the reading of chapter. Chapter name is Honesty. Jasprit walked hurriedly in the marketplace. Her mother wanted her to buy some groceries, as the market was very crowded. She had great difficulty in buying the things on the list. Children, meaning of crowded is space full of people. As she was walking, she saw someone push a feeble old woman. Children, meaning of feeble is lacking physical strength, especially as a result of age or illness. She stumbled and nearly fell over. She regained her balance and then began to walk away. Jasprit noticed that she had dropped her wallet. It contained a lot of money. Without wasting time, she ran after her and returned the wallet to her. Children, meaning of stumbled is to hit your foot against something when you are walking or running and almost fall over. The old woman was very pleased with her honesty. Children, meaning of pleased is happy. There was a toy shop nearby. She bought Jasprit a big teddy bear out of her gratitude. The little girl was thrilled. She ran home and showed her mother the gift and told her what had happened. Children, meaning of thrilled is cause someone to have a sudden feeling of excitement and pleasure. Her mother was very happy with her daughter. She told her, honesty is always rewarded. Jasprit had gone out of her way in her honesty and had been justly rewarded. Honesty is the first chapter of the Book of Wisdom by Thomas Jefferson. Moral of the story is, being dishonest is like making a crack in your heart. I repeat, being dishonest is like making a crack in your heart. Now children, come to the explanation of chapter. Children, first, what do you mean by honesty? Honesty is when you speak the truth and act truthfully. Many of you think honesty means you don't tell a lie, and that is definitely part of being honest. But honesty means more than not lying. A more complete definition of honesty shows that an honest person doesn't do things that are morally wrong. Like, honest is someone or something that is truthful, trustworthy, or genuine. Like, I'll give you example. 1. Honest is someone telling their friend that a meal they prepared had too much salt. So children, you should always tell your friend truth. Now another example, An example of honest as a student admitting that they cheated on a test. Now, children, you should always admit your mistakes, what you have done in the school, in the examination room, because God is always watching us. So, children, now come to the chapter. This is a chapter about a girl whose name was Jaspreet and an old woman. In this chapter, Jaspreet went to the market to buy some groceries. There she saw that someone pushed a feeble old woman. She stumbled and nearly fell over. Then Jaspreet noticed that she had dropped her wallet, which contained a lot of money. Then Jaspreet ran after her without wasting any time. Jaspreet returned the wallet to her. The old woman was very happy with Jaspreet's honesty. Then the old woman bought a big teddy bear to Jaspreet as a reward for her honesty. Jaspreet was thrilled because an old woman bought her a teddy bear out of her gratitude. She ran to home and showed the gift and told everything to her mother, what had happened in the market. Jaspreet's mother told her that honesty is always rewarded. So, children, always remember that honesty is the first chapter in the book of wisdom. It holds good due to its ability to build shape and motivate integral values in one's life. So, dear children, just the way Jaspreet's good deed get rewarded by the old woman, similarly, every good deed we do for others will surely come back to us. This chapter teaches us a lesson that we should be always thankful to others by helping others and always be honest in your life, as the same way Jaspreet had gone out of her way in her honesty and had been justly rewarded. Children, always remember that honesty implies being truthful. Honesty means to develop a practice of speaking truth throughout life. A person who practices honesty is in his or her life possess strong moral character. An honest person shows good behavior. So, children, you should always follow rules and regulations, maintain discipline, speak the truth, and be punctual. Children, you all must have heard the phrase, honesty is the best policy. It is indeed a wise phrase. So, children, that's all. I hope you all have understood the chapter very nicely. Thank you.